Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a group chat in Character.AI. So first what we want to do is go back to the old website, since the updated version of Character.AI does not have this, or so I think. But here you just need to click on create and click on create a room and just put on anything that you want. So for the room name, let's say gamers or something. Then here you need to add the characters. Say I'm gonna add 2 of them. And for the room topic, it's up to you. Random stuff. Then just click on create it. Now let's try typing in anything. Oops. As you can see, they are now there. And here are you guys. Something like that, and you could also enable character voices, and it's up to you. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.